Yeah, and Robin, Julie, Governor Northam says he is taking several steps to address coronavirus. The state of emergency, just one of them, saying it gives his administration the flexibility needed to address it as it progresses. Other steps he's taking include canceling large state-run events over the next 30 days and for state workers, phasing in telework, and canceling out-of-state travel also over 30 days. And he also has his top economic advisors looking at how to mitigate any impact coronavirus may have on Virginia business. As to the 17 cases you mentioned, that is the total number of coronavirus cases in Virginia. That includes 2 Virginians who are actually in Texas right now. And state officials say right now there is no sign of community spread, despite the increase in numbers. In community spread is where health officials can't track where someone got sick from. They say so far every person is either linked to international travel or coming in contact with someone who already has the virus. Now, when it comes to testing more people to see if they have coronavirus, Northam says they believe they have enough test kits right now, enough for between 500 to 600 people, but he adds it is clear that the CDC supply chain is limited, so they are looking at developing their own test kits.
Labs in Virginia authorized to run these tests. While the state is not involved in that work, we understand the private labs are upgrading their capabilities to do more testing. We are watching the experiences of other states, including the use of drive-through testing, and we're considering that option as well.
Now, the state also issued guidance on tips that Virginians can take to help protect themselves. That includes ones they've been talking about from the beginning, like constantly washing your hands and not touching your face. But they also talk to the at-risk community, the elderly people and people with underlying medical conditions, telling them to avoid large crowds and out-of-state travel, particularly on airplanes. And also, I've seen a lot of people asking about social distancing and whether they should be practicing that. That's making sure you are at least 6 feet away from someone in public as a way to prevent against the coronavirus. I talked to the state health commissioner about that question. Hear his answer coming up at 5:30.